Hi guys, it's me. And this time we're looking at a projector that's clearly designed for people who want a massive screen experience without turning their home into a complicated tech project. The Epson EpiqVision ultra-short throw LS300 is built to be simple, powerful, and practical, while still delivering that wow factor every time you turn it on. The ultra-short throw design is the first thing that changes everything. Instead of placing a projector across the room or mounting it on the ceiling, this one sits just inches from the wall. That means fewer cables, no drilling, and a cleaner setup overall. You place it on a cabinet, line it up, and suddenly your wall becomes a huge display that feels more like a premium TV than a traditional projector. Brightness is where this model really separates itself. With 3,600 lumens of both color and white brightness, the image stays bold and visible even in rooms with daylight or lamps turned on. Epson's 3 LCD technology plays a big role here, delivering rich colors without sacrificing clarity. You don't get that faded look some projectors struggle with. Sports look energetic, movies look cinematic, and everyday content looks sharp and balanced. Because it uses a laser light source, the experience feels instant. Power it on and it's ready almost immediately. Turn it off and walk away, no cool-down time required. There's no bulb to replace, which means long-term reliability and less maintenance. This projector is made for daily use, not just occasional movie nights. The picture quality holds up extremely well across different types of content. Full HD resolution with HDR support adds depth and detail, making scenes feel more dynamic. Motion handling is smooth, which is especially noticeable during fast sports action or intense gaming sessions. Input lag is low enough to make gaming feel responsive, so button presses and on-screen movements stay in sync. Smart functionality is built right in thanks to Android TV. That means streaming apps are ready to go the moment you connect to Wi-Fi. Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and more are all accessible without needing extra devices. The interface is familiar and easy to navigate, making it friendly for everyone in the household. Voice search also adds convenience when you want to find content quickly. Audio is another area where this projector delivers more than expected. Epson partnered with Yamaha to create built-in speakers that actually sound good. Dialogue is clear, volume is strong, and the sound fills the room better than most projectors in this category. For many people, this removes the immediate need for a soundbar. Bluetooth support is there if you want to connect external speakers or wireless headphones. The design keeps things clean and modern. The white finish looks minimal and blends naturally into most living spaces. It doesn't feel bulky or out of place, which is important if this is replacing your main TV. It looks like a premium home entertainment device, not a temporary gadget. What makes the LS300 especially appealing is how flexible it is. It works just as well for live sports afternoons, casual gaming sessions, streaming shows during the week, or full movie nights on the weekend. It adapts to your routine instead of forcing you to change how you use your space. If you're looking for a big screen upgrade that's bright, smart, and easy to live with, this projector checks all the right boxes. It's a strong option for anyone who wants to move beyond a traditional TV and experience something bigger and more immersive. If you want to buy this Epson EpiqVision Ultra Short Throw LS300 Smart Laser Projector, then please visit the link provided in the description.